Welcome with my practical video 7 for the practical video series for web programming. Without doing no more in work, let's move on to the question here by going to my pages and here web programming. I have discussed the answer for the question 1, then question 2, question 3, question 4, 5 and 6 also in my previous videos. I invite you all to watch my previous videos also and enjoy those videos also. Here I am going to show you question 7. Here in this question 7, I'll read it. Develop a database to manage the data of students and teachers at ABC Institute and use the web page as shown below to get the database table information. I have to use this table to get the information. So then I have to create here a database using the title, the data type varchar for the title and the data type varchar also again for the first name, then last name, gender, date of birth, data type date, and contact number 1, contact number 2. Email is the primary key and password should be 45 length and should be in data type varchar also, and number, street 1, street 2, city also. So I have to create a database called ABC and create table users with above information. No need to normalize the database tables. I have not to normalize the database tables. If you can remember this, that I have not to create a web page, the backend codings of the web page. I have to create only the database here. Here in ViewAnswer, yes, I have to use this interface to make this sign up process, but I'm sorry, here I have put it as sign in. Here in Q6 folder, this is my this is my workspace, and here in day 1 folder, here this is the Q7 and you can see index underscore Q7. This is the question, this is the file that is included the question as same as before in my before videos. And you can see normally I have created this anchor tag as a button, and I have link bootstrap.css file, and this is the image. Then this is the ans underscore q7.php. Here the same thing is applicable, and with an error I have put that here sign in, but it should be sign up. Then I'm saving it. Then I show you the page, reloading it. Okay. This is the sign up page. Okay, so then we can select the title here and first name, last name, the date of birth, and we can select any radio button here. Then contact numbers are required, email, password, like that way. So here no any backend part is that I have to create here. So only to create the database. If you can remember the answer, remember the question, I have to create only the database. So I'll show you the database that I have created. I have created that database as ABC. I am going to the workbench and I'll show you the database that I have created. Okay, I am accessing local instance and it's loading, you can see. So this workbench tool takes a little bit to open, and here this is the ABC database that I have created. I have to create only one table here. So a table is created, detail, and I have only to create the table here, but not to add data. Those data added is the question 8. We'll meet with question 8 also in my next video. So then up to now, you have to see only the way I have created this table. Then you can see, I show you it clearly. Okay, these are the fields that I have given. The email is the primary key. You can see the email is the primary key here. Yellow color bulb like is appearing near the email. So email is the primary key. Then title, first name, last name, gender, date of birth, contact 1, contact 2, password, and number, street to city. These are the fields, and you can see all the data types are given by me that are given for me in the question. This you can see email is Vacha 45 like that way. So email is Vacha 15. So that's a mistake. Then I'll correct it. Okay, applying. Executing this SQL statement that so I'll finish it. Okay, no problem. So the contact number 1, 10, 10, password 45, like that way. All the others are same. That email is, I have made a mistake. So this is how I created the database for the question 7, and I have put the collision char set as UTF-8 and the collision as UTF-8 bin, and this is how I have created my schema ABC and the entity details. So then you can see the themes. You can see the themes. The columns are included in the in my table. Here also you can see the primary key is PK, stands for the primary key, and email is the primary key. These are the columns. These are the fields that I have given to my table according to the question. According to the question 7. Okay. Leave answer. Only the template is displayed here. Only the sign up page is displayed here. No any backend coding is created. So let's meet with the video 8, and I'll show you how the backend is created with this sign up page and the table I have created under the schema ABC. So let's try to sign up a user also in my video 8. So hope you to see with that video also. Thank you for being with me this video.